Okay. We talked a little bit about Houdini up there. Before he died, he had a mansion in the Hollywood Hills. The Hollywood mansion burned down years ago. When I was out there about 30 years ago, I purchased one of the handcuffs that came out of the estate. And this is actually out of Houdini's estate. They were very small back then. Now, where it gets weird is I was doing an interview on the LA Times, and they were asking me, how do you do a handcuff escape? And I just got out of jail.
Apparently you cut yourself.
Yeah. And so what I did was, set the key there. I'm going to walk you through how I get out of Houdini's handcuffs. Okay?
Don't let him stay, buddy. It's yours. Don't let him stay. Which one you can't do?
Now, what people would think is it was loose enough. So I'm going to make it tighter. I'm going to make it tighter. Now, what happens if you can't even touch the lock? It's like a professional athlete. He sees the end result before it happens. I will the lock open like this.
You are the devil. You are the devil, sir. You are the devil.